Alrighty, so I just figured to make another video about where I'm at. Got the disc brake, or got the caliper off. Most of the shit off this side. So basically what I'm trying to do is free this, because this was spinning. This piece. I can't get the torque screw off on here. This is a T30. It's seized. So I'm putting a pipe wrench on here, trying to turn it, but obviously the axle is spinning. So I am trying to take this off this time, and maybe I'll just...
9 times tall. Let me see. Stop that one.
There we go. So another thing, this is backwards thread. This is backwards, so...
Okay. Wait, let me go on this. Don't twist. There you go. No, it's not going anymore. No, yeah, it is. Keep going. There is mats and you can get on the block. Keep going. Don't, you remember what I was doing? Like going up like that and then going like go slower so I can feel if it's up.
Back up. I'm putting back up on here so this doesn't turn.
No, you're going down.
So when I put the pipe wrench on here,
Ready? No.
should hopefully...
No! Wait, no. Okay, don't hold on. Go up a little bit. Find yours.
hold this in place.
Again, because you lowered it before I got on. I'm going to sit down. Excuse me. This is not tight enough. Going up now?
Okay, so right there. I think I might have got to bind up on this axle so it doesn't spin freely. And then I turn on this pipe wrench. No, it's still... No, it is. No, it's good. So I can turn, it's bound up on this axle, so I can turn on this one.
You making a video?
Yep. So this should come off now. No, still tight as fuck. Alright, is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see this got tight. So I'm either gonna have to loosen this screw or put some more pressure on it. I don't know yet.
Ready? Is this a document or a video?
It's a YouTube video.
No, kiddo, document.
I'm putting this on YouTube though.
Yeah, you're putting it on YouTube to get like 2 viewers? Tell me that.
Okay, so
Okay, look. Ready? Hold it, get it out. That is good. Okay, ready? I'm dropping it in 3. If it touches the ground before you're here, then
now I'm gonna try to
nice.
crank on that. I guess.
Push it up and I'll keep it, remember? Go as far as you go back. Oh, that's 1 out. That's 1 more chance.
That's definitely not how
But I actually
they
didn't
do
pull out
it.
because you tipped it over and pushed it and I watched. No, I didn't. Back up more. You can back up more. The tip when it's coming out and it's you. Oh. Oh. Come on there, Caleb. Wait. Okay, that's
Okay,
one
so
leg for you and 1 leg for me gone. We both have 1 more leg.
that's
Lift it.
kind of weird.
No, we switch every time we lose a leg. Nope.
So this is my plan now. This is the T30 torque screw, which is right here. I'm going to back up on this and try to loosen this motherfucker.
Oh, no, you did that to me. No, I didn't. You went like this, it went like this and turned right here. But you also touched it with your foot. So that doesn't count. Okay, then I don't really like it because it was cheating. No one likes it. It went like this, Caleb. It turned right here and then went across back.
Okay, I need somebody's help for hand set.
Hello. Where? Yeah, you're not strong enough.
Yeah, there. Come here. Hold that right there. Push it that way. Don't let it move. Holy fuck! Did I actually? No, I didn't get it. No way. Fuck's sake. There's not a chance. Ah, shit. Hold it there. Caleb, come here. Push my back.
Huh?
Push my back. You ready?
Yeah.
Push. Okay, never mind. Fuck. Let her go. Already well. Basically, that ball torque screw 30 is stripped out. So
that was you. Didn't call though. Thank you, Bella. Wait. Call.
So yeah, torque screw right there, T30 is torqued out. So I really don't know how to get that off. But we will figure out ways. We got these bolts off. We got that bolt off. But yeah, that screw is definitely stripped. Hopefully you can get her off without that.